So today I'm going to be showing you how to shorten a set of LED string lights. These are lights that are commonly used to hang on a deck or a patio. The problem is these lights come in fixed lengths, and sometimes you need a shorter length, and the excess is difficult to hide or to coil up. So I'm going to show you how to shorten the string of lights. I purchased these on Amazon. This same method will work for any number of different lights that are out there that are similar to this. So another thing is, make sure that you have the power disconnected. Unplug this from the wall before you do this. Also, doing this will void your warranty, and it'll void any third-party certification such as UL. So just keep that in mind. And please like the video. Please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate that. That way you can see other things as I come out with them. So anyway, enjoy the video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to shorten a set of LED string lights for your patio. As you can see here, this is an LED string light set, and it's just one that plugs into the wall. You can see the plug there. I mean, that's just temporary the way it is right now, but just showing you that it's plugged in. And basically I only need 7 bulbs, and this string came with 15, and they don't sell one with a shorter or with less bulbs. So basically I just want to cut this off after 7, and then what that's going to do is it's going to allow me to put a plug on the end of what I cut off and have another string of 8 that I could use somewhere if I needed to. So that's what we're going to do. So the first step is going to be to make sure it's unplugged. You do not want this to be powered while you're doing this. You can do this after mounting them or before. I mean, I just happen to have mine hanging already, so I'm just going to cut the end off over here. So, but it doesn't have to be that way. You can do this beforehand. So now that I have the power turned off, I've decided that it was right after this bulb is where I needed to end this line of lights. So I'm not going to cut it really close. I want to give myself a little bit of room here. So I'm going to go maybe a couple, 2-3 inches out, and I'm just going to cut it off. So at that point you can see that there's just basically 2 wires running through there, a black and a white. So the next thing we have to do is prepare the end of it. So after cutting off the end of the wire, the light string will actually work right now because all these lights are in parallel. The only thing we need to do is make sure we insulate the end of this. So what I have some liquid tape. This is better because it's waterproof. It insulates. It's better than electrical tape because if it's outside, the electrical tape is going to deteriorate and everything. So this liquid tape is preferred, and it's black, so I mean, should blend in pretty nice. So I'm just gonna kind of glob a bunch of this on the end of there. Just get a little more on there, get it nice and protected. We just basically don't want those wires shorting together. We don't want we just don't want it exposed to the elements. So there we go. We got that insulated on the end, and now we can go over and power them up. Okay, so here we have it. It's plugged back in. You can see the lights are powered back up, and we're terminated here on the end. So that pretty much concludes this video. Please subscribe, please like, and comment down below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching. Thanks.